This lecture starts the beginning of multiple regression analysis. What we have been doing till now has always been one versus one. We have one independent variable and one dependent variable. However, it would not make much sense in the real world that we just have one independent variable. Our dependent variable, which can be your consumption being dependent on income, can be dependent on more than one factor than just being dependent on one factor. Therefore, multiple regression analysis is a continuation and extension of the two variable regression model, but it is more closer to the reality. So we understand that this is the two variable regression model that we have been doing till now is inadequate in practice. For example, let's go back and talk about the example that we have already done. But I will give you a more, I'll give you a different example as compared to what is written here. And then we will go back and talk about this. For example, I want to understand my consumption of a particular brand. My consumption for, let's say, any good brand of clothes. I would not like to take some names, but whatever be your favorite brand, you can go ahead and consume that. Now, my, how many dresses I go up and buy would be definitely a function of my income. The more the income that I have, the more would be the number of dresses that I would want to buy. However, it would also be a function of the discounts that the store is offering at any point of time. It would also be a function of my assets that my parents carry. Maybe I have just started working, but I come from a very rich family and my parents are very rich. So, my consumption of a particular, of how many dresses I end up buying would also be a function of the wealth, which is something that I have mentioned here. It would be also a function of my preferences. It would be a function of the substitutes that are available. Maybe I had a preference towards this brand and I have always been so brand loyal. But all of a sudden in my country opens up an outlet which I always wanted, and this brand new brand is offering much better clothes at a much good quality and is much more better in all aspects, in the kind of quality that it is providing, in the price that it is providing. So my consumption, agreed, will depend on income, but it will also depend on a lot of other things. So that is where the three variable regression model comes into being. Adding more variables lead us to the discussion of multiple regression models, that is, models in which the dependent variable or the regressant y depends on two or more explanatory variable, and that is where it is known as multiple regression model. Again, I want to go back and focus on the concept of linearity, where we are talking about linear in parameters. They may or may not be linear in variables. Let us take an example of this. So when I say y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 x2i plus beta 3 x3i plus ui, this is a multiple regression model. Even when I, because I have two variables, maybe this is income that I earn, this is my parents' wealth or assets, this is my consumption. Now, even when I go up and write a model which looks something like this, this is still linear. Please understand this. My betas are still coming linearly. The parameters are still linear. And hence, although this is a multiple regression model, but it remains a linear model.